Columbia Machine was built on a strong foundation of innovation and leadership in the industries we serve. Through advanced design and manufacturing technologies, innovative product offerings, and unparalleled customer service, we are the preferred supplier of engineered solutions. Established in 1937 by Fred Neff, Columbia Machine has grown from a small shop located in Vancouver, Washington, into a world leader of factory automation solutions. Columbia has provided equipment and automation solutions to customers in over 100 countries, with a global team of nearly 1,000 people to support their operations. With a diverse range of business units, Columbia Machine serves its customers in industries such as concrete products, contract manufacturing, and complete lines of palletizing equipment. Our capabilities come from the advanced design and manufacturing technologies we have created, state-of-the-art machining centers, precision laser cutting systems, and a vast array of key manufacturing processes allow for reliable, durable, and efficient end product results. Continuous investment in our design, manufacturing, and assembly technologies ensures that Columbia Machine will be able to offer the best in product quality and innovation. Our Material Systems Division, MSD, specializes in batching and mixing solutions for a wide variety of applications, including precast products, color blending systems, as well as a full line of easy-to-operate batch plant controls. MSD also offers the most complete line of bagging equipment in the industry, including dry product mixers, valve bag packers, rugged conveyor solutions, automatic bag placing systems, and high-speed palletizing. Columbia's Concrete Products Division focuses on providing equipment for every aspect of producing consistently high-quality, high-strength concrete products for all markets. From raw materials to finished products, Columbia has innovative and reliable automation equipment that is built to last. From mixing and batching, concrete production machines and molds, all the way through product handling and preparation for transportation, Columbia's machines are tested and trusted by customers around the world. For nearly 80 years, we have been industry leaders in safety, innovation, dependability, and durability. Columbia provides industry-leading mold solutions. With 80 years of experience, it all starts with our people and their steadfast commitment to quality. Over the years, a product database with more than 30,000 drawings allows us to connect you to thousands of parts and molds already designed for your machine. State-of-the-art design tools provide a seamless transition from concept to finished product. All mold wear parts undergo a case-hardening heat treat process to ensure the highest level of durability and some of the longest-lasting components in the industry. Columbia maintains a massive mold inventory to support its customer needs at the factory and at strategically located parts depots around the world. The Palletizing Division of Columbia Machine designs, manufactures, and integrates complete line palletizing solutions, including high-speed, high-level, floor-level, robotic, and hybrid palletizers, load transfer stations, and system integration services. With the broadest line of automation equipment and close to 4,000 palletizers installed, Columbia is known as the leading palletizing solution provider. The Columbia Palletizing Division has over 50 years of experience serving the food, beverage, chemical, paper towels and tissue, personal care, and pharmaceutical industries. Working in close partnership with several Fortune 500 customers, Columbia ensures the highest level of safety, flexibility, and performance in all the equipment and solutions we provide. With over 20 years experience and close to 800 systems installed in North America, Columbia Okura is the robotic palletizing expert. Focusing solely on robotic palletizing solutions and system integration, Columbia Okura meets unique customer requirements with engineered applications and end-of-arm tooling. Providing application solutions to operations ranging from small, family-owned grass seed farms to large corporations, Columbia Okura offers systems from simple to complex, always with the highest level of safety, innovation, and reliability. Across all Columbia business units, we pride ourselves on providing exceptional customer care. Through a worldwide service support network and by maintaining one of the industry's largest spare parts inventories, we are able to meet our customers' service needs fast and efficiently. Whether it is providing service support, easy parts ordering, or tailored training sessions, Columbia is here to ensure your success. To support our customers' needs, wherever they may be, Columbia Machine has a worldwide network of manufacturing capabilities, sales representation, and service support coverage. Whether it's from our world headquarters in Vancouver, Washington, USA, our Techmatic facility in Poland, our Columbia Machine engineering operation in India, or from our vast range of parts depots and offices around the world, we have the channels and the solutions to meet your needs. We are always striving to improve and expand our network of coverage. Whether you need a complete concrete products plant, a fully integrated palletizing system, or a manufacturing partner, Columbia Machine is your total factory automation solution provider. In all parts of our company, into every department, down to the smallest aspect of business, everything we do is always from the eyes of our customer.